Good morning, students. Yesterday, I gave you some information about the poet of the Children of the Rainbow, C.J. Hack. Before explaining the paragraph third, I want to remind you students that in first 8 lines of the poem, the narrator talked to her grandmother that she had known a girl whose color is dark brown. It means that she is different from other children. Yet the narrator liked her. But when the girl goes to play with other children, they make fun of her and ill-treated by her. Ill-treated? She is ill-treated by them. So she ran away from there. These children do not allow her to play with them because her color is different from them. But the narrator liked her and her skin color didn't matter for her. The first line, first paragraph and the second paragraph. Students, here the narrator want to say you that inner beauty is more important than outer beauty. Once I learned a poem by Thomas Crow, True Beauty. In that poem, it is said that the outer beauty is decay with the passage of time, but the inner beauty remains permanent. And what is inner beauty? Honesty, truthness, sympathy, kind, etc. So, in this poem, it is also mentioned that what is true beauty, what is the quality that a child has in it. All people are equal. We should not discriminate people on the basis of the color of their skin. There should be feeling of love and compassion for people of all races. So we first recite the poem and then explain it. I think she looks just beautiful. Her skin is chocolate brown. She is the nicest girl I have ever met, and it is sad to see her frown. The narrator told to her grandmother that, in my opinion, the girl looks beautiful, although she has dark color. That is, her color is as brown as chocolate. Here narrator further described that this girl is more beautiful, adorable among them. But the narrator felt bad for her when she saw sadness on the face of the girl because of the behavior of other children. Here is the word frown. Frown is a facial expression where eyebrow brought together and there is wrinkle on the forehead that show sadness, worried, all the things. Clear, students? So we come to the next paragraph. Grammy held me on her lap and told me she was proud. She said that's what is important, and then my Gram allowed. After listening, Grammy held me on her lap. After listening these words of her, granddaughter, she took her in her lap and said that she gets proud of her child and makes her understand that skin color girl. She told her that inner beauty is more important than outer beauty. What is the inner beauty, students? The inner beauty means that kindness, good nature, sympathy, truthness, honesty, all the things. That everyone, whether he is from any race, any religion, or any community, all the students are equal. We should not discriminate people on the basis of the colors of their skin. There should be feeling of love and compassion for people of all races. So we first learn that what is the inner beauty. Okay, students. So now I end this paragraph, and next two paragraph I will explain tomorrow. I think that you understand it. Okay, thank you.